Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your credit card fraud alerts with Bank of America. Complete guide step by step clearly. To manage your credit card fraud alerts with Bank of America, start by logging into your online banking account. Enter your username and password on the Bank of America homepage. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services tab located in the main menu. Look for the Fraud Protection section within the Account Services dropdown. Click on Manage Alerts to access your alert settings. You'll see a list of available alerts related to your credit card. Select the option for Fraud Alerts to modify your preferences. Here, you can choose how you want to receive alerts, such as via text, email, or push notifications. If you prefer text alerts, enter your mobile phone number and confirm. For email alerts, ensure your email address is up to date in your account information. Choose the specific types of transactions that should trigger fraud alerts. Common options include large purchases, international transactions, or transactions done without your card present. After selecting your preferences, click Save to apply the changes. Next, check for any existing alerts to ensure they align with your updated settings. If you receive a fraud alert, respond as directed by the notification method. You may also want to familiarize yourself with reporting unauthorized transactions. To report any fraudulent activity, return to the home page and access the Customer Service tab. Select Report Fraud and follow the prompts to secure your account. Review your credit card statements regularly for any unfamiliar transactions. Finally, consider setting up additional security measures, such as two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your credit card fraud alerts with Bank of America. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.